Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So this is part 2 of our combat series. Last video we added this light combo function. This video we are adding this heavy attack function, and also you can mix your light and heavy attacks as you want. As you can see, we have 3 light attacks, 3 heavy attacks. They are chained properly with their combo function, and we have nice camera movements for all of them. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the video. So let's begin. So I've added these 3 new animations for heavy attacks. One is this punch, one is this hook kick, and this tornado kick. I'll also leave a link of this pack in description. If you guys like it, make sure to purchase it and support the creators. And okay, so let's begin. First thing, what I'll do is create a montage from all 3. Actually, I need to enable root motion first in all of them. I just retargeted it to the 3rd person and save it. Now you can just create a montage from all of them. That should be fine. And open up your 3rd person character. So in case you are new, make sure you follow the previous video to catch up how we did the light attack, which is this. Now we'll be adding the heavy attack to this. So okay, so if you're following and you have the same thing as me, you'll have this perform light combo function with you. So what you need to do is duplicate this. I'll just name it perform heavy combo. That's one. Another thing you need to do is go ahead and add a new input for your heavy attack. So just duplicate this, name it heavy attack. So add it in your default inputs. I'll just map it to my right mouse button for now. Okay. So once you have duplicated it, your function, also make sure you duplicate your light attack montages which you have, and we'll name it heavy attack montages. Compile it, and now inside your perform heavy combo function, what you need to do is replace this light attack montages with your heavy attack. So one over here, then there will be one over here, and I think one at the bottom. That's the last. So what you can do is drag it here, get, and if you press Control and drag this, it will drag all the connected pins. So yeah, compile it, and for this I'm going to replace it with our new montages. So one was this one, I think one was this, and this is the last one. Okay, now we have that. So if you want your combo count to be same, like for example, let's say this is 1, 2, 3. If you don't want your heavy attack, if you want your heavy attack to follow that, then you can use the same int variable which we created last time. So for my system, I want it to follow, so I'll be using the same int. So okay, so this is all we need to do here. Come inside your event graph and find an empty space just above this. So your heavy attack input from started, you need to do the same thing. Copy the branch. And set is attacking to true. And then instead of light combo, drag your heavy combo. And okay, we do the camera as well. But for now, you can just do this. One thing actually I forgot is to add your notifies. So you can use your same notify which we created last time. So let's do that. So one somewhere over, let's say here. So I'll add the notify. I think it was reset combo. Then next was this kick. Somewhere here. Notify, reset combo. And the last was this. Reset combo. Okay. So this is for the camera. We'll do that later. But I think if everything's right, it should work. Let's test. Okay, the light combo is working. If I press right click, and yeah. So let's mix and match. Okay. Very nice. Okay, beautiful. Now all we need to do is add our camera system to it, and oh, that should be it. This should be a short tutorial compared to my last ones, but you can see we need a new camera. So let's do that. So open up your third person character, and actually we need to add our camera states to it. So I don't know where I saved it, so I'll just search it. Okay, so we have combo 1 2 3. Actually we also need now, oh, I should have named it. Actually I'll change the name. Light attack 1, light attack 2. I'm not sure if this will cause any weird things. Let me just check if it's working once I do this. Okay, nothing's changed. So once you have that, okay, over here you can copy the same switch on int, and I'll just go ahead and add heavy attack 2 and 3 as well. 2 and 3. Save this, open this up. 0 1 2. So 1 will be heavy attack 1, 2 will be heavy attack 2, and 0 will be heavy attack 3. Okay, we have that done. Now we need to open our director over here. Now you'll find 3 more enum classes. So okay, now let's just create some new rigs. So I'll duplicate one of these. So this will be heavy 1. So let's check the attack. So this move is going forward, so, and the attack is with the right hand. So from minus 110, let's do it something like minus 80, and move it way towards the right, minus 40. 65. Let's just add it. I'll activate your heavy one. Let's just see how it turns out. Okay, going towards the left instead of right. So instead of minus 40, this will be 40. And the camera is way too near. 100. Field of view can increase probably. Okay, that's better. So the next one we can see is a kick. So we can do something like, let's say, okay, duplicate your heavy one, save it. So for this, so this is now again just tweaking the values and adding up to your favor how you like it. So I'll just do something similar. So that was not at all nice. So you can even add your control rotation, like probably some rotation to it as well if needed. So now let's check. Okay. And the last one is a similar kick. So for now, I'll just add a random one which we already have. Let's do this punch and just see how it turns out. No, that's not meant. Or probably this other kick which we have, we can do that. So you can reuse the cameras for sure. Okay. So yeah, there we have it. So you have your light attacks, then you have your heavy attacks, and you can mix them as you like. So yeah, hope you got, okay, there's some error. Let's just check what that is. No, from where that came, but yeah. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah, make sure you comment what you like to see next. Probably some AI functionality, or yeah, some of the hit reactions. Do let me know, or we can add a nice locomotion system to it. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and see you guys in the next video.